Hello everybody, welcome to today's video at Created Home with G. Back in the summer, I posted a picture of an illuminated initial or letter or marquee letter. There's so many different ways you can describe these. But I bought some light up letters or initials from eBay, and I bought some small flower heads. I made sure I got the small ones because if you get too big, you're not going to see the shape of the letter. And obviously you need to be able to distinguish what the letter is, otherwise it makes no sense. I tend to keep my leaves that I've taken from pics that I've dissected, so I'm just going to hot glue some of these leaves in random places, making sure to keep an eye on your base here. You don't want things to go off the edge, otherwise it won't sit straight. I mean, if you're going to hang this up, it doesn't matter, but if you are going to put this on a surface, then having things, off the edge doesn't really make much sense, especially at the bottom. And that's the bottom of the letter and not your own bottom, just to clarify, crafters. Right, with these flowers here, I'm snipping off the bit that sticks out, because obviously I want them to be as flat to the initial as possible. I'm just using my hot glue gun, or my hot glue tool, because I know some people were getting in trouble for the term gun being highlighted in their video. So my hot glue tool. And I'm going to place these lovely flowers in. And the good thing about this particular, these what I'm doing here now are actually Christmas presents. These are Christmas gifts, so you can tailor these gifts to person's tastes. So if you've got someone who loves blues and greens, then you can tailor those colours to the letter. This one I'm doing is actually for my mum, her name being Geraldine. I'm going to put in a leaf just here, so it sticks out a little bit, not too much. Obviously, like I said, you need to try and maintain the shape of the letter. It's a good place to use your scraps of foliage, lifting things up, tucking them in. Like this is a hydrangea piece that I've got this left over from, so I can just take off some of those. And I've got some foam flowers here which I can also use. Leave me a message in the comments, crafters, if you're like me and you like to make things for your loved ones. These are some kind of almost tea-dyed flowers I'm going to also use. If you are making things for your loved ones, let me know in the comments what type of things you're making. Well, speak of the devil, she's just got home from work. She's just shouted up, "It's me, son." crafters, so this is almost finished. I can see that there's a spot there that I need to fill, so I'm just going to pop in one there, and probably one here too, one of these pink ones. And then I'm going to call this floral marquee letter, or light up initial letter, and I call that done. So you still get the shape, and then I will put some batteries in it, and I will show you at the end what it looks like when it's lit up. If you recreate this, I'd like to see it. Come over to my group, Create at Home with G, on Facebook. I'd love to see anything you're creating. I think I need to add a few more leaves actually. I want a leaf just there. I'm going to put a leaf just here. I do like that little bit of green poking out. So like I say, crafters, I will see you again very soon. Feel free to come over to my group. Been lovely to have you. And I will see you again very, very soon. Stay tuned for the pictures at the end of it all lit up. Thank you very much for joining me, crafters, and you'll see me again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.